Hello everybody, this is Marcos Moscat with 123 Rock School of Music, and today I thought about starting a series of videos to show you all the basics of guitar. Again, we're going to start very basic and then we're going to work our way up. I would like to start by showing you or telling you about the strings of the guitar. Now, this lesson is for everyone that has either never played the guitar before, or perhaps you got a guitar for your birthday or Christmas and you want to start learning how to play the guitar, or perhaps you used to play when you were younger and it's been a long time since you played and you don't remember much. So again, I would like to show you about the strings of the guitar. Now, as you know, the guitar is a stringed instrument and it has 6 strings. Now, this specific guitar that I have, it's called a classical guitar, and I usually recommend to start with a classical guitar, but you might have seen acoustic guitars, which are probably the most common guitars. They look similar to this one, but they have steel strings, and then there are electric guitars. But for the purpose of this lesson, and regardless of what guitar you have, whether it's an acoustic, a classic, or an electric, I want you to follow the strings. I want you to look at what I'm about to do with the strings, so you can learn string by string as it applies to any guitar, regardless of what you have. So I want you to grab a pick. So if you have a pick, I want you to grab it with these 2 fingers right here, your index and your thumb. And if you don't have a pick, you can play with your fingers. Some people tend to grab the pick with these 2 fingers right here, with your middle finger and thumb, but really try to grab it with your index and your thumb. Now, you'll see also that the strings go from thicker to thinner, okay? And thicker string that you see, it's the low E, okay? So it's going to be an E. The next string will be an A. Next will be a D, then G, then B, and then E. So again, this is your low E, A, D, G, B, and E. Now, the high E, which is this string up here, okay, is technically your string number 1. So that will be your first string. So this is string number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Okay? So once again, if you want to go from 1 to 6, this is string number 1, which is the high E, string number 2, your B, string number 3, G, string number 4, D, string number 5, A, string number 6, E. But for the purpose of this specific lesson, I want you to practice this with me, and I want you to start on the low E and go all the way to the high E. So one more time, we're going to go E, A, D, G, B, E. Now, some people like to remember the order of the strings by creating a phrase or a sentence, and some of the common ones that I use with my students are Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie, or I also use elephants and donkeys grow big ears, EADGBE. But again, you can make your own, whatever works for you, but as long as you remember the strings are EADGBE, you'll be fine. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.